Welcome back to another episode of Shady Ventures. Today, I'm celebrating my 29th birthday in Hiiumaa, Estonia. Checking out all the Trans Euro Trail that the Estonian archipelago has to offer before making my way north into Finland. Welcome to bloody Finland, mate. Let's get into it. So we're going to keep going along the Tet today, around this bloody island. See what else we can see. We're not going to get bogged. The Tet on this island is 350 k's or so, like it's big. It's a bloody big track. Now, let's go for a spin. See what else this island's got in store for us. Hopefully, some good stuff. Straight into some sand. Oh. Woo. A little bit loose there. No easing into it this morning, just straight into it. Nothing like almost crashing immediately to get you going in the morning. As soon as I got away from the beach, the dirt firmed up nicely and it was on. Time to twist the throttle and send it through these tracks before I have to leave Hiiumaa. Just came to try and get the ferry, but we're a little bit early. It's not until 17:30, so 5:30, it's 1:30. So I've got 4 hours to kill. So I was just chilling out here on my rock waiting for the boat, and I was just looking at my bike, and I noticed that the chain tensioner looked a bit funny. Look at this. When I got bogged yesterday, this must have moved. That would have only been from today, but still, look how much that's moved forward. You can see on the dirt, there's a bit of a hot line there on the brake, right around it, because the tyre is very, very crooked. The chain is very, very loose. It wasn't like that this morning. But these chain tensioners, man, they used to use are absolute garbage. I hate them. But anyway, fix this up and then the boat goes in about an hour. I hope I haven't done any further damage. I don't know if it just sprung out then when I undid it, but it was like, it wasn't tight. Maybe we'll take it a little bit easy now. I'm getting really good at this big bike shit, aren't I? A short little boat ride to Saaremaa, and then it's time to find some dinner and somewhere to sleep. Staying in a hotel tonight, and still eating canned dinners, because apparently this is a winter town, and they don't have restaurants here, and the only thing they have is a little supermarket down the road, so I just got what I could find. What I could find was some noodles and some jerky. So I've just put some beef jerky in the noodles. It tasted as good as it sounds. Morning. Happy birthday to me. 29 today. The sun's shining, but it did rain last night. And there's a lot of rain around on the forecast and on the radar. So I'm not feeling too confident, especially after yesterday's mud puddle. Not yesterday, the day before. So we will do a little bit of the Tet here. I think it's Muhu or Maha, I don't know how to say it. The small island of these three in the Estonian archipelago. With the rain clouds looming and Muhu not having too much off-road riding, it was back on another ferry to mainland Estonia. Another day, another ferry, another lunch. Not bad. Got like roast pork, roast potato, some veggies. €6, so cheap. Perfect car wash. Let's give her a little tub. I was pretty happy to find a car wash as soon as I pulled off the ferry. She was definitely due for a tub. Done a birthday wheelie yet. A cheeky little birthday wheelie, a bunch of freeway Ks, and I was at the port to get from Estonia to Finland. Baltic Queen. We're heading over to Helsinki, over to Finland now. Bloody country 18, costs 69 euros to get across. Let me tell you, when I walked through the Baltic Queen, I was amazed to see everything from a Burger King to pokies. Bro, this ferry's got pokies. It's got a pub, it's got Burger King, it's got pokies. It's a 2-hour trip. What the hell? Man, I feel like I got jibbed with the 3-day ferry across the Black Sea. This boat is luxe. The right choice hopping on the boat today by the looks of the weather. We could see Tallinn before. Now it's just rain.
Lugupeetud reisijad, tuletame teile meelde, et autotekil on suitsetamine keelatud. Automootori käivitamine on keelatud.
Welcome to bloody Finland, mate. Country 18. I guess we'll park here. This one's tidy. Leave the bro a sticker. Here you go, Adelaide. Spent the night in Helsinki last night, and the hostel I stayed at didn't have parking. I read it wrong. It said parking for Red Furler. It said street parking only, which is not what you want, because my bike got robbed. My bike's here, but they broke into it. So I've got my little bag on the front here, you know, and I put my tools in there. That has my tool roll, or had my tool roll. And that's now missing. There's another Africa twin next to me. He got He's bag rated as well. There's one thing you need on your bike, especially an old one, it's your tool roll. That is the one thing you need. To top it off, these cheeky little pricks left cigarette butts in me friggin' bag, man. Now we gotta go get some friggin' tools. Just when I thought my morning couldn't get any worse, the heavens opened up and it started pouring down with rain. At least I didn't end up like this bloke with the rolled over ute. So unfortunately they didn't have an actual tool roll. They didn't have tools, so I just got all the tools that I think I'll need and a sock. Because at the moment it's all just individual tools that'll go everywhere. So we'll jam this all in a sock, put that in the bag, fingers crossed we got everything we need. I'm really upset because that was a bloody good tool roll that I had. That's what you get, you know. You think, who's going to steal tools? Crackhead? Junkie? That's who. Next week on Shady Ventures, I get invited on an end-of-season ride near Oulu in northwestern Finland, where it's a boggy, messy shit show.